Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear your browsing history in the Safari web browser on Macintosh computers. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have the Safari web browser open, and then select the Safari button up at the top left corner of the menu. Select where it says Clear History. At this point, you can click inside the drop down to select what time parameters you want to set. So anything between the last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. Go ahead and make that selection and then select the Clear History button. Would recommend you guys restart the web browser, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.